Changing your subscription plan on Paramount Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily update your plan. Step 1. Login. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile icon or menu at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select subscription. In account settings, look for the subscription or billing section. Click on this option to view your current plan details. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Browse through the available subscription plans. Select the one you wish to switch to and review any changes in pricing or features. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm the changes. Make sure to review any terms and conditions before finalizing your selection. Are you all set? Your subscription plan will be updated, and you can enjoy the new features or content available with your chosen plan.